This is an example of how we run comps, just so everyone sees it. We use this fancy software called Zillow that's free. And then you click on just solds. You kind of draw the area of the neighborhood here, as you can see. We're not doing a wide area. Home types, I filter on just houses only because some neighborhoods you might have a mix of multifamily or lots, depending what town. And then from a filtering perspective, this was like 1,300 square feet house. So I kind of did over under on this. I took out newer construction homes since ours was built in the 1900s. And then we jump around between 6 and 12 months, just see how much data is and kind of what the trends are going. And that's our filter essentially. And then certain states like Texas here, it looks like there's no sales price on the properties. But another kind of pro tip here is on non-disclosure states like Texas, you could figure out ballpark what it sold for. Because if you just scroll back to the pricing history, you can see this price was last as at 168 and went pending. And most of the time, plus or minus a few $1,000s, that's going to be the sales price.